Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the Imperial Balloons channel. My name is Aisha, and today I have a really quick video for you guys. I'm going to show you how I apply my vinyl to my fabric covers, and I also had uploaded a video on how I get these covers to look tight and like they fit, so definitely check that out if you haven't already. Now, what is very important first of all is that your transfer tape is not too sticky. So before you even try to apply the vinyl, make sure that you put your transfer tape on a t-shirt a couple times for the stickiness to go down a little bit, and then you're going to have to put it against a flat surface. Now you're either going to put it on the ground or against a wall. The feet of these frames are easily turned inward, so if you have to put it against the wall, that is definitely possible. And then you're just going to apply it in the normal way. Take a credit card, or if you have those special tools, take one of those and just start rubbing it down onto the cover. And then when you're taking the transfer tape off, make sure that you check that the letter is actually sticking to the frame, and if not, go over it with your card and then just kind of trace it until the transfer tape can peel off a little bit more easy. Like I said, this was gonna be a very quick video. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, and you can find me on all social media platforms at imperialballoons.ac. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.